Hey friends, welcome back to Daily Sews and Stuff. This month's Daily Quick Tip is about how to rotate your pattern and how you can right click and hit rotate pattern clockwise, and it's super easy. It'll get your pattern the length of your cutting mat where you need it to be. I've mentioned it in several videos and I'm going to kind of cut from there and put it in here, but I thought that was something that if you were just frantically having to remember what to do, it would be easy to search it if I made it its own video. So, here you go. This shirt is longer than 24 inches. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to go down to rotate clockwise. And that gets me with the pattern going the correct way. But personally, I'd rather the top of the pattern be over here. So I'm going to right click, rotate clockwise, and right click, rotate clockwise one more time. And that's going to get me all the way where I want it. I hope you enjoyed this month's Daily Quick Tip. Subscribe so you can join me on all of my journeys and failures and successes and all the stuff that I do here with sewing and projector sewing and other stuff. I will see you next time. Thanks.
Thanks for watching my videos. Like, subscribe, and comment.